Yeah. Old school to ah. Old school. You know. Yeah. Saan tayo? Ito kami oh, may eat all you can. Let's go. Saan yun?
We have Michael Navarro and Melanie Crane. They are co-owners of Elevate Maine Realty and they're celebrating 1 year today.
You know, and food dito guys.
Hindi
pa start eh.
Do you guys agree?
Let's go. Ano ba maglaban? Hindi ko alam maglalaban eh. Portland. Oh, Portland tayo. Portland, Maine. Sea Dogs. Let's go.
Next up, beer in Mexico. Some confusion here. Are you gonna lock in?
Kenny.
Is it Kenny?
Warm up na guys. Umulan kanina eh. Let's go Portland Sea Dogs. Lupit. Layo. Pero kalaban to guys. Ayun yung ano. Si Portland. Kasi ito yung Akron. Tingin tayong cup. So, oh, favorite. Let's go. How much?
It'll be 35 or 35.
Nakaisa tayo. Souvenir lang, diba? Remembrance. Portland. Let's go. Ang mga ano nila. History. Doon sa bilihan ng souvenir. Ayun na! Home run! Home run! Butak!
Huwag mo lang makatch.
Ay,
nakatch
sige,
niya!
okay lang.
Ano yun? Nakatch niya.
Shortstop number 4.
Uy! Gogo! Solid! Yeah. Kaya pala din sila madami nakapesto. Noon pala.
Designated hitter number 1, Tyrese Turner.
Woo! Oh, shit. Wala. Ayun na. Kapul! Fourth base. Third base lang. May isa na doon.
Ano ni Mike? Team blue tayo.
Kaya nga eh.
Maambol na naman.
Ayun! Bilis! Galing.
Ay! Ano, nakatch ulit. So ano?
Wala, X pa rin. Ayun na! Takbo! Dive! Hindi marunong mag-dive.